and with me is Dr. Sarah Wood from the Intermountain Wasatch OBGYN. Now, Doctor, I have to ask, why is it exactly that you are at a bridal gathering?
Good question. You probably don't see very many physicians at this kind of thing, but we wanted to come here and be able to offer these gals who are getting married a lot of information. Number one, they're getting married. Are they interested in having a premarital exam, making sure they're healthy going into a marriage? Number two, have they thought about birth control yet? And a lot of women don't want to have pregnancy right off the bat early on in pregnancy, so we talk about birth control options. Other things wanting to bring up with the clients as they come through here is whether or not they've thought about if they're going to be on their period on their honeymoon. Some big issues that may come up.
Yeah. Well, and to me it seems like these are things that you're so overwhelmed with planning your wedding, having your wedding, everything. This just kind of gets put on the back burner, and without it being, in your face and having it, it's almost like out of sight, out of mind. And so it is very beneficial, I imagine, to have you here and say, with all of these important things going on, I would like you to remember that there is, some other important things.
Exactly.
And so with that, what exactly sets your practice apart from other practices?
Well, we are a group of 4 female OBGYNs, and then we also have 2 female nurse practitioners. So it is a group of all females, so we are able to provide women providing care for women. And we have 3 locations also. We have a location at McKay Hospital, North Ogden, and one in Layton off of I-15 and Antelope Drive. So we are trying to make it comfortable for women and also very convenient for women so that they can keep up on their routine care. And also if these women that are coming through here today are interested in getting pregnant, we offer those obvious prenatal evaluation and treatment.
Okay, and do you have a certain website that someone could go and get more information on?
Certainly, it's just you can Google Wasatch OBGYN and we'll pull it straight up there. We have a lot of resources there, a lot of educational links, so they can definitely take a look at that.
Okay, and so they can definitely go on there and get more information and kind of see why they would want to go to your practice opposed to other practices?
Right.
Okay.
Yes, and we'd be happy to take care of anybody. Our practice is a growing practice and open to all patients.
Okay, and would someone be able to come here today, and would they be able to set a scheduled appointment later on?
We can definitely get you scheduled at your convenience if someone's interested.
And just when you say that, because there is a lot going on with your wedding and everything, what would you say is the biggest oversight girls really go through when planning their wedding and someone in your facility?
I think the biggest thing people really forget is birth control and timing their wedding according to their menstrual cycle. Unfortunately, you don't want to be on your menstrual cycle on your honeymoon. So I really encourage women that haven't had an OBGYN exam prior to their wedding to be seen so that they can discuss their menstrual cycle and actually be able to manipulate it so that they're not on their cycle.
And when they do meet with you, you would be able to sit down with them and see when they are planning their wedding, see their personal schedule, and see how what's going to best fit their schedule.
Absolutely.
Well, that sounds great. Yeah. Well, I really appreciate you, and I hope you have a great day today. Thank you.